In this tutorial video, we will walk you through building a stage, lighting truss from scratch that can lift, swing, and tilt. Project setup. First, we determine the control scheme. We need the model to perform tilting, so we use a multi-axis swing model. Drag the multi-axis model into the main window. The machine's dimensional parameters are shown in the figure below. First, create the model according to the machine's exterior dimensions. Hardware assembly is complete, and all power and signal connections are in place. If you have questions, see section 2.1. Set up on-site machine model, control console, jog operations. After coupling is complete, we can attempt jog operations on the rig. Turn the first knob on the console to jog virtual axis 1 rig height. Turn the second knob on the console to jog virtual axis 2. Turn the third knob on the console to jog virtual axis 3. In addition, we can use the left side shortcut keys to quickly perform leveling and height moves. Click the Go Flat button. The rig will automatically return to a level position at the current height. Click the Home button. The rig will automatically return to the home position. Control console. Edit queue. We can create our program. Programs are either single-step or multi-step. First, create a single-step program. Press Modify. Select an empty program cell. Select our model. Enter the required parameters. For example, I set the rig to 2.5 meters height, tilted 20, with no twist angle. Keep the model selected. Click Save. Select the program cell to store into. Enter the program name. Click Save Q1. After saving, you can see the saved program on that cell. Long press the cell to preview how the rig will move. Then click its corresponding button to trigger the program. You will see the rig move to the specified position and then stop. Control console. Edit queue. Next, we will explain keyframe-based programming. For example, the rig moves from position 0 to 2000. Then from 2000 back to 0 as a looping program. First, at position 0, create a keyframe at frame 0. At frame 100, which corresponds to 10 seconds, create a keyframe with the rig at position 2000. Then at frame 200, create a keyframe with the rig at position 0. By dragging the timeline, you can see the rig move from 0 down to 2000, and then from 2000 back to 0. Save Q4. trigger the program we just edited. You can see the rig running in a loop. As long as the rig's first position and last position are the same, the program will loop automatically.